Welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. I have these prints that I had done some time back, and every time I look at them, come across them, it's like, do something with me, do something with me. And I can't really say specifically what to do with them, but I like the colors and the pattern, and I'm going to try to do something with them now. And so, as you can see, I have my hole puncher here, and I'm going to start by punching some holes, but first let me get rid of these white borders. And so I'm going to end up with a lot of pattern circles, and we'll take it from there. And I like these this hole puncher makes nice crisp holes, and you can end up using the pattern for like a stencil type. I'll do a few more in this color. It's about 6 here. And let's take, this is the next color that's jumping out at me. Again, let's get rid of white borders. Okay. Whoops, that one came too close to the edge. So we'll do one more of these. Okay. And let's see. This is a little bit more subtle in color. I think I was doing these prints as sort of like an experimental thing with a stencil I had made, perhaps. Just doing layers. That came too close to the edge. So I like the circle look on these. I think the next color that jumps out at me is this one. So the question is, what can I do with these circles to create a piece of art? I also have a smaller circle cutter here. I'm not sure if I'm going to need that one. Okay. Okay, so this is going to give me a bit of a hard time to get out. There we go. So I don't think I need to use, this is a nice blue. I know I have the darker blue and greenish blue. This is a nice blue, but I don't know if I need that, so I'll wait. Hold off on that one. And so I have some cardstock paper here. And so let's take a look at what the possibilities are in creating. Okay, so I am gluing them on to some cardstock paper, these circles. And I'm using a glue stick to do that. Okay, and so we have a colorful sheet of circles. Now I was thinking of some mark making, perhaps using my Micron pen and my ruler. Perhaps we can get some mark making going on here. And I happen to like these patterns of these gel prints, very colorful and shows movement. And so the question would be where to draw these lines, and I'm just randomly drawing some lines. No rhyme or reason. Just connecting lines. And sometimes mark making just add something different. And I'm big on what's organic and unique. So my lines are not even per se. but they create a design and look of their own. And so I'll continue to make these lines and come back. Okay, so here's a close-up of the lines that I made, and then I did some going across. And it makes for a nice, interesting piece of art. And when I do my usual, which is the matting of it, say you wanted to put a matting around it, and here you get a nice piece of art. Simple, right? But a nice, unique piece of art that you can place on the wall or wherever you want to put it. And that was just circles, gel printed circles with a little mark making. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today for a quick little segment. Keep doing art. Keep thinking outside the box. Till next time.